Yun, ciao Judgers, it's me, it's Jeremy, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a few hours since we landed from Sapporo, and then we had a few hours in Manila, changed our bags sa parking lot, and then dire-diretso na. Samahan nyo kami kasi kakaibang adventure to dahil kasama natin ang Wang's family sa ating Wang Sapa na time in Vietnam. Let's go! Ayan, so dito po sa Vietnam ay milyonaryo ka instantly kasi ang 100 USD mo 2.5 million, around ganun yung rate. Pero dito syempre sa airport mas mababa yung rate, 2.2. Ayan. Wow! May pa-banner din yung local tour operator. Oo. Gusto ko lalaki, di papakabong. Ayan, so we're here in the bus. How many hours going to Sapa?
5 hours.
So restroom break, and habli rin kami ng bayabas. So we're back on the bus. Grabe na tiis ko yung jibs ko naman. Success naman. Masarap yung kanina na.
It's
So medyo may kasalanan siya kasi nag-post siya sa group ng Wangs na 19 degrees lang. So mga tao nagtanggalan ng heat tech. Yung pupuntahan pala namin may mga negative temperature. So good luck. And don't. Huy, sabihin niyo. We have safely arrived our hotel. Thank you, Jennifer. Yan. Mga nabiktima ng bagyo weather.
Nasa ganito Sapporo. Naghanap ako ng weather forecast. Sa Sapporo kami. So nakita ko Sapa, Vietnam. Dumating. 19. So pinadala ko sa group namin. Oh guys, bagyo feels lang. So like lang, jacket, gano'n. Ayo, pagdating negative 19 pa.
Mag-tsa ako, magigigil ako sa
Sapporo pala, Sapporo.
Good morning from Sapa, Vietnam. So day one was a complete rest because you know what they say, with good rest, you'll be at your utmost best.
In regard.
So ano yung day 2 natin? Saan tayo pupunta?
Day 2 natin, we will go to Pansipan.
Fansipan.
Pansipan. Letter F, letter V.
Letter V.
Letter V.
Fansipan.
Pansipan.
Fansipan in...
And Cat
And
Village.
Cat Village.
Maraming doon pusa.
Tsaka na doon si Captivating.
Cat.
Ayan. So we are here in Sun World Sapa Station. Itong guide namin, pinaglakad kami ng malayong malayo. Tapos kung ano-anong ginagawa. Nakakagigil. We just arrived. Ano to? De La Torre?
Moira.
Ay, sorry. Ay, Moira ba yun? Mali.
And from the way back, no train. We have a walking.
How many minutes? Like, no?
So, papunta na kami sa tuktok ng Fansipan or the Fansipan Summit para makita namin yung Sea of Clouds. Buti na lang the handles are wooden, so pwede mo talagang hawakan. Mas ganun kalamig as compared to bakal yan. Good luck! Okay, so kakababa lang namin ng funicular. Akit to around 100 steps till you reach the summit. Sobrang narrow nung steps, so ingat lang po baka sa sobrang narrow ng steps. Ayan. Okay. So alam mong talagang tourist trap kapag exit mo, ganito ang makikita mo. Ayan. Souvenirs! So after heading to the Fanspan summit, we head down to Katkat Village. Oh, ayan, Katkat Village na. Feeling ko mag-outfit muna tayo. Ayan. Dito daw yung may photo tayo na mayroong kamay na malaki. So, alam mo na sinasabi na pag malaki ang kamay,
malaki ang future.
Costume. Alam mo, nagawa nila ng paraan maging tourist destination yung simpleng village dito sa Sapa. Galing, it's smart. Sana ganyan din yung tourism natin sa Philippines. Like, para ma-boost yung ibang mga towns and provinces natin na medyo mababa yung tourism. Medyo I'll be honest, medyo underwhelming yung Ayan. Pero anong pwede natin gawin sa Pilipinas to eh? Sa Apayao region. So hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadali ng guide namin. Basta ang narinig ko lang ay meron daw falls. Tignan natin kung worth it ang pupuntahan natin.
Hirap na po kami sa buhay.
Yeah, so proud of you, Ate Mai. Laban. Let's go! So if and when you decide to go to Sapa and if you wanna live like the locals, meron silang mga traditional houses that you can rent. Just like this one. Yeah. Meron kasi mga tourists na gusto nila, they wanna experience the country like a local. So that's the best way to do it.
Wait for the 29 car.
Okay.
29 car.
So talagang walang ibang way. Bababa talaga para makapag lakad hanggang doon and then electric car and then cable car. Dami.
Hi, Jurgers.
Where are we?
We're at Moana.
This is
Moana
Moana
Cafe.
Cafe.
So galing kami sa Katkat, walang masyado kaming nakunan kasi pagod.
Okay, since na-busy agad pagdating kasi medyo kapos kami sa oras at nag-picture-picture ng lahat. So, tour ko na lang kayo sa Moana. Dito sa tapat ng Pau Sapa. Hindi ko alam kung part siya ng hotel na yan. Cheers. Ito. Feeling ko siya si Moana. So, pro tip, pwede kayong tumambay dito sa may treehouse kung gusto niyo. Ayun yung treehouse. Promise, mas maganda to pag daytime. Then meron din swing doon. Pero syempre hindi natin ginawa yun. Kasi kapos na nga tayo sa oras. So yan. So you have 3 options. Picture ka doon sa may piano. Ay, 4 pala. Dito sa may deer piano. Doon sa parang similar sa Bali. Yung dalawang, ano yung what you call, dalawang column. And then doon sa love. Yan. Then itong mga mirror na yan. Pwede rin kayo mag-mirror selfie dyan. Then sa baba, meron pa yung kamay. Doon nakapag-picture tayo doon kahit madilim. Ayun lang. So, dinner na. Gutom na. Miss Vietnam! Matatawa talaga pag dudulas ka bigla. Day 3! Where are we, guys? Wala sumagot sa akin. Khao King Rong. Khao King Kong. Khao King Rong Maya. It's the glass bridge. Photo, 1, 2, 3, and... So, good luck kung may makita kami sa tuktok kasi medyo foggy. Ayan po. May foggy daw. Ito, foggy. Wow. Hey! Electric pa na heater. So we are taking the lift all the way to the top. Alright, so medyo almost zero visibility na. So hindi na rin masyado nakapag-video kasi mas prioritize ko yung drone shots and yung photos. So, ayun, on to the next one. Siguro, if ever man, kung tatanungin niyo kung babalik ako dito, oo, para mabalikan yung mga spots ng may nakikita ko, maliwanag. Kasi siguro from at this point, at this altitude, ang ganda ng view mo. Kanina nga medyo sumilip na nandun tayo sa elevator. Okay, so we're off to lunch and tatawid tayo sa bridge na ito. Na kung tawagan ay Con Duong Tin Nhieu. Tigas dun yung lake. Din? Ba't may din? Sa buffet Lao Nong. May option ng 249,000 dong or 299. So 250 or 300 basically. That's around kaya na mag-compute. Pabasa nga, Ate Jing. By the way, ay, Louie ko nila, pabasa.
Sukpi and Kwan si Adam.
Uy, bakit na ka? Ayan, achieve! Achieve naman lahat ang mga shots. Yes! Ikaw na-achieve mo?
Hindi.
Hindi nga, totoo, wali.
It's our first time nakasakay sa, ano ito, electric car?
Yeah, buggy.
Buggy.
Electric buggy.
Electric buggy. Ano yun eh, pag medyo lagi kang puyat, di ba?
Ay,
Meron
buggy.
kang
Ay.
buggy. Hi, Georgers. Ayan, nagtatrabaho ang aking husband. So, we're having dinner now. Hindi ko alam kung saan, pero meron pa daw walking. So, hintayin natin kung saan kami. Sana masarap. So, hopefully this, last night,
Very reductive.
sabi ni Jennifer, Indigo daw is one of the best restaurant in Sapa.
Sinabi na niya kasi yun mga nakaraang araw.
Oo nga, lahat na lang sinabi niya.
French fry pala.
Joshua?
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 Joshua.
And this is it, Georges and Jerry Bears. So we're moving to Hanoi tomorrow at 9 in the morning. So we'll be there around the afternoon and we'll explore more of Hanoi by the time we get there. I'm sure the group will enjoy the food more in Hanoi than here in Sapa. Medyo disappointed sila sa mga pinakain ni Jennifer sa atin. And I have to agree with that. And hopefully magustuhan nila Hanoi just as much as I did nung time na nandito ako 10 years ago before I met John. Yan, kasi yung memory ko talagang sobra ako nag-enjoy sa Hanoi, sa Vietnam. I hope it remains the same, if not better. So last time I was here was Da Nang pala. Da Nang, Vietnam last year. So what I meant was Hanoi 10 years ago. Ayun. So we have just arrived Hanoi finally after 5 to 6 hours. You know, you're in Hanoi when it becomes chaotic. Ang daming motor, daming lalakad. Hindi mo alam kung sino mag-giveaway. So this is International Intersection. So much memories here. So they're serving us bun cha.
Feeling ko dito sa Hanoi, since first time ko, mas madaming poging afa kaysa sa Ho Chi Minh.
Mas diverse dito kasi capital to at mas pinupuntahan. So, mas masarap pagkain dito, in my opinion. I was here 10 years ago and noong time na nandito ako, grabe! Ang daming masasarap na pagkain.
Alam ko, di ba? Meron yung masarap.
Okay na, close. So we're gonna get our coffee fix sa may tabi ng Riles. Wala na pa dapat agahan talaga natin pupunta tayo dito eh. So we found a spot. Kaso mag-isa lang. 45,000 yung coffee. It's roughly around less than 100 pesos. Train is coming. Alam mo, I just realized people are really up for the thrill. Like they're willing to risk their lives just to get that money shot. Alam mo yun, marami rin talagang thrill seekers sa mundo. Nakakatawa. And most of them are here in Hanoi, apparently. Again, ito yung sinasabi ko sa tourism na ito, simpleng train tracks lang, ba't di natin magawa sa Pilipinas? Diba, naging tourist destination, ginagyan ng mga kapihan, ang galing lang talaga how they present everything. Okay, no Tagalog challenge. Where are we?
So we're now at the train street in Hanoi.
Yeah, we're in the train station in Hanoi.
Not station, street.
Streets.
Inuulit pala yung sinasabi niya.
So we see a lot of tourists. It's actually a really popular destination for a lot of people to go and visit and wait for the train to pass by while enjoying their egg coffees. And what was your favorite thing here in this area?
Same here.
Okay, so nag-agree kami kay Jennifer na dalhin mo kami sa train street, dadalhin mo kami doon sa gusto mong budulan. So nandito na kami sa budulan. So the Robusta coffee here, it's quite popular in the world and it's also one of the strongest. So sa 5th floor, pag pumunta ka dito sa budulan, meron silang kapihan. Pero feeling ko budol pa rin yung presyo nito.
I usually don't support civet cat coffee kasi I find medyo animal cruelty yan. Pero ewan ko, siguro sana natural yung way, no? Hindi nakakulong sila. Yeah, we just got to our hotel, everyone's busy. Hi! This is our room. Pwede magpa-show. Ano mo na. Ito yung view.
for day 5 in Vietnam. And we are parang day 1 in Thailand. Ganun yung dating. Hindi, punta tayo ngayon ng saan ba? Grand World ba? Basta, ayun. Parang glorified Venice Grand Canal Mall sa Pilipinas. So first stop of the day is Wan Kiem Lake. Welcome to Wan Kiem Lake. Merong tandem na nagbubuo. Yeah, so everyone's done shopping. Oh, pa.
5.5.
Pa. Kaching. 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 Diba, wala akong mabili para sa sarili ko. Basta ikaw, happy Mansari.
Thank you. Happy Mansari.
Kasi po siya, pag napupunta na mga hindi po talaga siya namimili. May mood siya na. So, pag may mood siya na ayaw niya mamili, ako may mamimili for him. Okay?
Aray. So it's our last day here in Vietnam. We're having a non-Vietnamese cuisine. Ang layo-layo. Yung kasama sa Italian. Sa favorite ceremony.
Siyempre, hindi ako papayag na hindi ko ma-achieve yung upo ka sa bangko. Yung nakaupo kang ganito. Bago man lang tayo umalis. Para full Vietnamese experience. Full Hanoi experience. Here! Saan nga to? Grand... Anong pangalan nito? Grand
World.
Grand World.
Grand World Cubao.
Grand World. Ha? Cubao lang pala to. Sadali. So we're at Van Chai Marina for our early dinner. Yeah. Hello! Sabi guys, sobrang sarap niya. And this is it, Georges and Jerry Bears. We have safely landed here in Manila from Hanoi. That was indeed a wonderful #Wang Sapa na time in Vietnam. Sana nag-enjoy kayo as much as we did. And at least meron tayong babalikan na memory. Anytime na maisip natin yung Vietnam trip na to. Bye! Babay ka na lang. Bye!